If you hit it hard enough, it will. But as you can tell, the paths are very overgrown. There's a nice one. We could pull that down for firewood. It's huge, but ow! Careful. What a bumpy ride. There's a fire pit. Just for the size fire we're gonna have, we won't need a fire pit.
Rocks will just blow up. Do you have a shovel?
What?
Do you have a shovel?
Yeah.
Just in case we need it for dirt.
You had to put it out. Wow, look at this section here. That tree.
Did knock that tree down?
Is it awful thin?
Yeah, it is. Could you go knock the tree down?
Ooh, chipmunk. I think this is where the stone quarry used to be. Right up in this area here.
Yeah. See how that one leaves that little notch?
What?
That little notch on that stump.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's figure it out as we go. There's our property line again. Get a little mud.
Should just mount this on the top of the truck.
Yeah, dude. There's a tree. There was a tree across the road last time when me and my dad and Mr. Helton were up here.
Oh yeah.
We used the truck and some chains and we pulled it that way across the path and onto the other guy's property. This path is kind of confusing. Looks like they pulled a tree down through here. But there's lots of things like that. And it's kind of hard to tell where the path goes at some points. Yeah, it looks like they pulled a
Stump.
tree. Oh yeah, and there's a stump in the middle of the path. What kind of forester leaves a stump in the middle of a path?
I just want to make sure you don't hit it.
Yeah. Jeez, they pulled that tree and it like made a nice mud spot. Made it slippery. There's just like a random huge rock in the middle of the road there. Where does the trail go here? We'll just follow the tree mark.
Oh yeah, it was open where the stump was.
I know where it is now.
Of course you do.
Now I do.
There's a log there. How did you cut it?
Oh yeah, there was a tree across the road over here.
Try out my new chain. Oh yeah, look at that.
There's some fire.
Yeah.
Stop there and use the stuff that's already cut. Make my dad cut up some more. A little bit of slippage. Spider on. Let's see, somewhere up in here is where we pulled that tree across the road. Maybe they pulled it out.
Yeah.
There's a trail there that goes to that other guy's property.
Cut it up.
Nah, it's up here. Right there.
Yeah.
It was across the road and we used chains and pulled it backwards. So
Oh, like a short chain.
we used a chain around another tree and it pulled it back.
Oh.
Stump's coming up. Keeping it in my brain. There's a stump up here.
Oh, up there.
It's up further. Of course, Mr. Hellman in his Jeep went right over it, no problem.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he drove right over it.
He's got a lift.
And he's got bigger tires, too.
Yeah.
It's not in this field.
No, because I remember there was a tree over here, like right in front of this thing.
I know it's coming up, though.
Yeah.
Spiders getting in here.
is.
Okay. See, now that we're looking for
Now
it,
we can see it. We couldn't even see that last time.
let's stop out and get a look at it. So last time me and Zach were up here, the grass was growing up around this so much, we couldn't even see this sucker. This mark right here, that's from the lower control arm. Slammed right into it, rode right up on top of this stump. Here's our track, right here. The tire ended up on this side of it. Pushed back a transmission support. It was bad. Bent a torsion bar. Bent a sway bar on the... Did you start it again?
Yeah.
Okay. It was not good. We used the winch, attached it around a tree back there, jacked it up, pulled it on it with the winch, and got it off eventually. And that happened right after getting a speeding ticket, so my parents were not too thrilled that I smashed it.
Not at all.
Yeah. So, this time we're going to try not to hit it. Yeah, let's go. Smell the grass burning underneath. Get your door, we don't want to hit the door on me. What is that? Push the center button in again. Oh, there we go. We did it. We hit that, but...
That was just a log breaking.
Oh, hey, look, the wheel's back there.
Oh yeah, you could just do this.
They fold in automatically if you hit a tree.
But I still need the recorder.
What?
Got me some recorder.
Yeah, we'll show all the way up to the top.
Not anyone's gonna want to watch this because it's all weird.
Oh well. People will. And they'll subscribe to my videos. I think I've uploaded 5 in the past like year. Stump. I see, there's another stump up here. Oh great, this section's really nice and muddy. Sideways.
Did we go up here last time?
Yeah.
Stuck?
We're mudding her.
So much for that car wash.
Woo! Yeah, they just got this thing washed today. So, thanks guys for washing it. Looked good for about an hour. It was coming in my window.
Should take my car up here.
Yeah, you should do accuracy out. It'd do great. Shit.
Should get a Jeep or something next time.
Next time.
Oh yeah, we did go up here last time. We got it broken.
There's mud behind my back.
Yeah, there is.
Oh my gosh. Am I smushing it into the seat? Not really. Okay, good.
Because I'm on the far side edge.
I could see it coming in, but you know, I was busy trying not to hit the trees and stuff. We'll get that in the video. This is it here.
Crap.
Yeah, this section here is not too good. There's a something. There's a tree across here. And we're almost there, guys.
Should camp up here.
Oh, fire spot. That's how we do it at Mark's farm. Alrighty, guys, here we are. We are at the top of the mountain. Left my lights on. Oh boy. Got mud on the seat. Dang it. Look at that.